Your computer has two memories. One remembers forever. One forgets the instant the power dies, and that one is doing all the work. RAM is the working memory, a giant grid of numbered cells, 1 byte each. Random access means the CPU can grab any address just as fast as any other. Every cell has an address. Your program says, "Give me byte 4,000,002," and RAM answers in about 80 nanoseconds, whether that byte is first, last, or anywhere in between. That's where you're running apps live. Open a game, and gigabytes stream from slow storage into RAM, because the CPU only ever works on what's loaded here. The catch: RAM needs power to remember. Kill the power, and every cell drains in seconds. That's why unsaved work dies, and why saving means copying to storage. Billions of cells, any one instantly, that's working memory.